Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see what is DevOps, so what need to be learned for the DevOps, and what is the fundamental of the DevOps, and what are the life cycle of the DevOps. So based on this we are going to see the first question in the sense of what is DevOps. DevOps is a development plus operations team. It has to be collaboration with the both hands. It is the process and the culture of an IT, because they have to ship the code to the end user with the automation. Meanwhile they have to be a lot more automation in between those. That's why they called a DevOps developer plus a operation. Why the DevOps is needed? For thinking about a manual process, if you do some any code that has to be taken care by the developers, they have to push us the code, then they have to test it. Without knowing the proper automation, it will fail from the few stages. So based on this, DevOps came into the picture. They have to able to make the automation. If the get the code from the developers, they can able to make it the automation to the end user while using the a Docker or a Kubernetes. So based on this, the problem has to be solved by the DevOps. Then what are the things has to be needed to learn the DevOps? Is the basic things we need to know about the automation mindset, then willingness to learn the more things, because day by day it is getting the more and more automations tools and all. Based on this we need to update ourselves, and we need to do the a better approaches for the product. So based on this, we need to know about the life cycle of the DevOps. What is life cycle of the DevOps? In the sense, a people has to be and take care by the user, in the sense putting pushing the code to the GitHub from the developer, and that later they can able to take care by the DevOps team. Once it has to be and pushes the code to the GitHub, then they have to be and test it, build it, and deploy it. Later we need to take care to the monitoring stage. Once everything is done from the monitoring, whether we can able to view the what are the things it's goes any failure cases, we can able to view it in that monitoring using the Prometheus and Grafana. These are the things has to be needed to learn for the DevOps. Need to be know about the CI/CD, how to automate the things from the basic. Later we need to know about the containerization, Docker and the Kubernetes and all. Later we are going to see each and step by step in the upcoming videos. For the next we are going to see the network traveling from one end to the another end, how the network is traveling from request. If you hit on the request, then what are the backend process it will happen, we are going to see in the next video. This is how the fundamental works. If you know this one, that will be an easy for you to understand. Thank you for watching. Love you all.